Oxford University is teaching its students how to leverage AI for more effective and efficient learning. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. Hello, I'm Hone, and I make videos about the science of learning. If that interests you, hit subscribe. I'd love to have you here. AI has the potential to transform how we learn, acting as a highly skilled tutor. And that's not just my opinion. Research shows that AI enhances academic performance and study efficiency. But the truth is, most people aren't using it properly. By the end of this video, you'll become a machine-enhanced, fast, and efficient learner. Here's the key. AI is great at doing things for us, writing reports, summarizing papers, answering questions. But the more we let it do, the less we do ourselves. And learning happens in the doing. You wouldn't expect a personal trainer to run for you and see results, right? The same applies here. Instead, we should use AI as a trainer, a tool that challenges and guides us. I'll show you how, but first, a critical warning. AI can get things wrong, so always evaluate its output with a critical eye. To use AI effectively, we first need to understand how learning works. I know I've said this many times before, but research consistently shows that retrieval practice, actively recalling information, is the most powerful learning technique. Simply trying to remember something isn't enough. You need to interact with the material. So, however you use AI, make sure it forces you to think deeply. Asking AI to quiz you, test your knowledge, and challenge your understanding is far more effective than having it simply give you answers. One of the best ways to use AI is through Socratic questioning, a technique Oxford University admissions interviews use to probe students' thinking. Here's how you can apply it. Ask ChatGPT to act as a Socratic tutor and guide you through a topic. For example, type, "Act as a Socratic tutor and help me understand the concept of momentum in physics. Ask me questions to guide my understanding." ChatGPT will generate a series of questions, like, "What do you think momentum means in a physical sense?" You provide an answer, and AI gives feedback, gradually deepening your understanding. This technique moves you away from rote memorization and toward real comprehension. Oxford uses this in interviews to see if students can think critically rather than just regurgitate answers. Beyond Socratic questioning, here are a few more powerful ways to use AI for learning. 1. Multi-level explanations. Ask AI to explain a concept at different levels. As if to a child. As if to a high school student. At an academic level. Then, challenge yourself by writing your own explanations and have AI assess them. 2. Practice questions at different levels. AI can generate beginner, intermediate, and advanced questions on a subject. Answer them yourself, then have AI evaluate your responses. 3. Bloom's taxonomy learning challenges. Bloom's taxonomy outlines 6 levels of learning. Remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Ask AI to create exercises that challenge you at each level. 4. Overcoming learning anxiety. Many students hesitate to ask questions in class out of embarrassment. With AI, you can ask for explanations as many times as needed, without judgment. I for reading and comprehension. Be careful when using AI for summarization. If you simply ask it to summarize an article, you risk missing key details without knowing what's been omitted. A better approach. Summarize the article yourself. Ask AI to summarize it separately. Compare the two and identify discrepancies. Additionally, AI can help you analyze complex texts. Ask it to list key concepts needed to understand a paper. Request a breakdown of technical terms. Use it to structure information logically for deeper understanding. These strategies aren't just my ideas. They come directly from the University of Oxford's guidance on using AI for learning. Their approach turns AI into a personal tutor, albeit an occasionally unreliable one. I've linked all sources and recommended papers in the description, including one from Cambridge University that details the CLEAR principle, another framework for effective AI-assisted learning. With the right approach, AI can be an incredible learning tool, helping you think critically and deeply rather than passively consuming information. Use AI to challenge, guide, and test you, and you'll soon be learning like a genius. If you found this useful, subscribe for more insights into the science of learning. And don't forget to check the description for all the resources I mentioned.